In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in Miro. Whether you're updating a team board or refining a concept on your own, these essentials will help you work quickly and confidently. To start, sign into your Miro account and open the board you want to work on. Give the board a moment to load fully so all elements render clearly. If you're working in a shared environment, it's a good idea to make sure you have the right permissions to edit. Otherwise, you may only be able to view the content. Once the board is open, position your canvas so the area you want to edit is centered and easy to see. Next, let's talk about selecting and moving things around. Click any object once to select it and then drag it to reposition it on the canvas. To move around the canvas itself, use right-click and drag if you're on a mouse, or 2 fingers on a trackpad to pan. If you notice the whole canvas shifting instead of the object, you probably clicked empty space. Try clicking directly on the object's edge or fill before dragging. Resizing is just as straightforward. When an element is selected, you'll see handles around it. Drag a corner handle to resize shapes, images, and frames. Corners are ideal for keeping proportions balanced. If you want to preserve the original ratio precisely, hold Shift while you drag. Side handles will stretch an object horizontally or vertically, which is useful for banners or containers. After resizing, take a second to check alignment with neighboring elements so your layout stays tidy. Editing text is simple. Double-click any text box to place your cursor and start typing. If you need to add new text, choose the text tool from the left toolbar and click anywhere on the canvas to create a text field. Use the formatting options that appear, such as font size, color, and alignment, to make your message legible and consistent. For longer notes, consider short paragraphs and clear headings so your board remains easy to scan. Finally, copy and paste to duplicate content efficiently. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on Windows, or Command+C and Command+V on Mac to copy selected elements and place them where you need them. You can also right-click to access copy and paste from the context menu if you prefer using the mouse. This works for shapes, images, text, and even grouped items, which saves time when you're building repeated structures. That's it. With these core skills, opening your board, selecting and moving, resizing, editing text, and copying and pasting, you're ready to edit confidently in Miro. Practice these actions together, and you'll build clean, clear boards that your whole team can navigate with ease.